Well, hello everybody. This is a little video I'm going to make about copying this commercial lobster pot which I bought locally for my little fishing boat. As you can see, it's an inkwell pot, very sturdily made. It's a commercial one, but I wondered if I could copy it. As you can see, it's made up from MDPE water pipe, medium density polyethanol water pipe. The problem is, though, that I know full well that you cannot glue polyethanol pipe. It's totally impervious to solvents. And looking at this commercial lobster pot, there's obviously some kind of a hot weld or a melt weld gone on these joints. So the answer is going to be, I'm sure, some kind of melt weld. So, experiment, here we go. First thing I did was bought a reel of 20mm MDPE water pipe. There it is. It's not expensive. And then I copied all the rings, exactly the same size as that, measured them off. There's about 8 meters of pipe in there, so the 25-meter length should make 3 or 4 lobster pots. These rings, all I've done is to make them into a ring. Where's the joint? Find the joint for you. Done it so well I can't find it. There it is. All I've done there is just put a little piece of 10mm copper pipe in there, and then just gone in with a soldering iron and done a sort of a Frankenstein type dink 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 dink, just stapled it all the way around, and that's kept it really nice and solid. So the 4 rings of the lobster pot and the uprights. So the challenge now is, how on earth do I get this lot joined together with polyurethane pipe that you can't glue? Well, over here I've got a 150 watt soldering iron, plumber's soldering iron warming up, and I've got 2 little bits of pipe that I'm going to show you how I intend to weld these together. What I need to do now is just put my phone, prop my phone up so you can see this. Okay, here we go. Hopefully, there we go. So I've got my soldering iron here, nice and hot. Yep. And 2 pieces of pipe. What I'm going to do, after a lot of experimentation, I found what you can do, the best thing to do is just to put the iron in. Oops, try not to move the phone. Yeah, just to put the iron in, same side like that. Just melt the 2 together, top and bottom. Not too much. If you go too much, it doesn't work for some reason, and I don't know why. So just melt those a little bit, and then right at the last minute, bang them together with pressure, like that. Just put them together with pressure. There. Just hold them for a minute. You could put a mole grip on there or something like that, but it only takes a few seconds. There we are. Done. If I do that now, just grab the phone. You can see that that's got a weld all the way around. That's a melt weld all the way around that joint, and I can assure you it is tough. There. So there we are. Just put the phone back on. That's one joint, nicely welded, and I can assure you you'd have a job to pull that apart. Surprising, but that's the way it's done. So what I'm going to do now is get on with this, put all those uprights on the bottom hoop first, and try and build this pot. I've got a throat out there to put on it, and with a bit of luck my poly weld system will work. Hope this helped. Bye. Catch you later.